Hi everyone, welcome to Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we'll see how to make a spooky Halloween craft. All we need is a jar, sellotape, Fevicol tube, netted cloth and scissors. So let's begin. So here I've taken a glass jar. You can go ahead with a plastic jar as well. So we're going to wrap it with the netted cloth. I'm sticking the cloth here with the tape. And we're just going to wrap it all over. So wrapping it with the netted cloth will give us the Egyptian mummy look. Moreover, you can try this craft with different glass sizes. So I've just cut strips of the netted cloth and we just wrap it around. Now let's cover the bottom part. Again, we'll use the netted cloth. Now, to make our craft even more interesting, let's add some eyes. So I've just done some cutouts from a sheet. So we'll stick the eyes using Fevicol. If you don't want to add paper cutouts, you can always stick googly eyes. So we're done. See how amazing this craft looks. To make this craft even more spooky, you can add some fairy lights, candles, a small torch, or any light source as you like. So please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.